And since being 1 month into the GLP-1 program, I have lost pounds, which is, it's officially been 1 month since I started my GLP-1 program. And you guys, I am just in utter shock. I came into this whole experience feeling really nervous, feeling like I was gonna have so many symptoms. But honestly, the team at Noom was super helpful. I really love the app feature that they have. And I'm just gonna tell you about my 1 month check-in, the good, the bad, the unexpected, what I've noticed so far, and some big surprises that I didn't expect. So I would probably say my body had a weird adjustment the first 2 weeks of being on the shot. The first initial shot, I honestly didn't feel any different. 5 to 6 hours in, that's when I started feeling a little dizziness. I just remember feeling really thirsty and just craving water. The food noise was completely gone. Like, I had no cravings. Eventually, I started to get a migraine. I think my body was telling me you should eat and fuel yourself. So those were the first couple things that I did notice right off the bat. And those same symptoms kind of trickled along to week 2. By week 4, I think my body had fully adjusted to being on the medicine. I've read so many things of like being on GLP-1 that the food noise really does go away, and they are not lying about that because I do not get any cravings. I just don't feel the urge to eat anything or crave anything sweet. Being a foodie content creator and just looking at so many food contents, like, I don't have that initial craving, which is such a big shocker for me. And since being 1 month into the GLP-1 program, I have lost 9 pounds, which is insane. My face feels more defined. It definitely feels a lot less inflated. I definitely think I've lost a lot of water weight. My arms feel lighter. My waist is significantly smaller. I've been able to fit into a lot of my jeans and my pants. I don't have any mood swings or sudden emotional changes, I would say. Since being on this program, I've been able to sleep a little earlier. I've just been able to breathe and feel lighter about myself. And my energy levels have also been really good because I've been able to sleep really well. I'm just able to enjoy my day and my time a lot better. And I will say the biggest surprise was probably the amount of times I was craving water. I've also noticed that whenever I do eat certain meals, I often find myself going to the bathroom shortly right after. But yeah, 1 month into Noom's GLP-1 program, I personally have been loving it so far. I just feel so much more confident and so happy. I honestly don't feel any other symptoms that are crazy or that really affects me. I'm just really excited to continue with this program and see the end results and hit my goal.